Okay, this is your virtual locker activity. This is like a get to know you kind of thing. So I have a page here. It's got some websites you need. The remove background website, I'll show you that in a second. Voice recorder, and the Bitmoji extension for Chrome. Only if you already have a Bitmoji account. I'm not telling you to go out there and get one. You can use pictures of yourself, whatever you want to do with that. I just made some pre-made stickers here for you. You don't have to use these. You can use these. You just copy and paste them onto the locker that you want. So first you'll need to decide which locker you want. So there are the teal colored lockers, these colored lockers, and these. So you'll pick which ones you want to use and then start deciding what you want. So the requirements here are you need to share at least 10 or more, but at least 10 things to inform me about who you are. So things to consider: pictures of you, your family, pets, your favorite books, your favorite band, your favorite musician, favorite movies, favorite TVs, favorite food, favorite sports, favorite hobbies. It's a whole list that you can go through right there and look and get ideas from. So you'll get the Bitmoji extension, and that is, it'll look like this right here. So you'll click on that, and then you'll find the Bitmoji that you want to put in there. If you're having trouble finding one that you want, you can type the word pose, P-O-S-E, into it, and it gives you a bunch of different poses that you can choose from to put in there. So once you find the pose that you want, you just drag and drop it in, and reposition it. Check the side. You're probably taller than the handles of the locker, so just think about that. You want your feet on the ground, so think about those sort of things. Like, this is a grade, so try to make it look decent. So you have your Bitmoji there, and then your locker to decorate. So I made some stickers. You can use these. You don't have to use these. It's up to you. You can start by making them look pretty. Copy. I want to use this, so I just Control V, paste it. I'm gonna put that up here. I'm gonna resize it. I'm gonna turn it to the side, make it edge to edge. Okay, so you can format them, different things like that. Oops, sorry. Okay, so you can resize different things. Okay, so my Bitmoji's head's behind the banner. I don't want that. I'm gonna right click on her, click order, bring her to the front. Now she's in front of it. So you right click, click order, and it'll bring your images to the front or to the back, however you want it. And then just choose different things you want to add to it. So let's see. I like Starbucks. Copy, maybe. Control C. The copy doesn't pop up. I'm going to Control V, and then it's there. I'm going to make it look like it's sitting on the shelf. Make it a little smaller because that is a giant cup of coffee. Okay. So you can drag and drop images on here. It's easiest if you have them saved. So I have some images saved. Upload from my computer. Insert, upload from my computer. I'm going to put that little heart in there. Hang that on there. You can find posters. There's good places to find posters. You can hang posters in your locker. You can find your favorite basketball team, your favorite football team, and reload them. You're going to have your name on it somewhere. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So on the website page I showed you, there's a remove background. So you're going to come here and you're going to find an image that you want to remove. So names are usually signs or best ways. So I'm going to type in sign. Do it as an image. I like that one. So I'm going to take this. You usually have to open them up. You can't just drag and drop from here, but you can take it there and then drag it and drop it into the remove image. So it's removed. I'm going to download it so it's saved to my computer. Go find where that downloaded. So I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Okay, and scroll down. There is that sign. Just going to open that up, and then we have it here. Just going to put it on top of the lockers here. There. So now I have my name on the sign. Last thing you need to do is go to the voice recorder. Okay, so this voice recorder is real easy to use. You just click the start button and you need to record your name, what you want me to call you. Now, don't make something crazy like Princess Peach, but whatever your name is. If you have a nickname, if your name is Annalisa and you want to be called Lisa, then say your name, Lisa, when you record. Stacy. And then you can pause it. You can see it right here. I click stop. And here it is. I can cut off all the blank spot in the beginning. Let me hit play. Okay. Okay. So I can hear it. And I can cut off the end. Save. So it's saving to my computer. On this one, I go to Insert. I click Audio. But there is not one for my computer here. So I'm going to have to upload that audio to my Google folder. That you have, go to Google here, this little waffle right here. You should have all these different apps, especially if you're using a school computer. You have all these different apps here. You want to go to your Google Drive right there. I made a folder called Sounds because I do a lot of recordings. But I just right clicked on a blank space. I'm going to click Upload File. Then I am going to go to that file that is that is on my computer, that I saved on my computer. It's right there. It's going to upload it. Then I can go back here, click Insert, Audio, and it usually pops up the last thing that you did. You can do recents or search by name. So I called it voice name, and it's going to go right there. I'm going to resize it just a little bit. Remember, I'm old. I need to be able to find it, so resize it so that I can see it. And there is my recording, so it's right there. You can go through, find anything you want, make it school appropriate. You might want to put where you work or your favorite restaurant, food you like. I put the Epic Star there. Maybe winter is your favorite time of year, so you put snowflakes in. Whatever you want to do, this is your locker. Just make sure you meet the minimum requirements that will be here. And then make sure that you come up here and share this with me. So you'll type in my name and click done. Okay, and that's how you'll get your grade on it.